Hi, today we are going to learn about dividing complex numbers. Let's look at a problem. Simplify 3 plus 5i over negative 1 minus 2i. Whenever we need to divide the complex numbers, we'll take the conjugate of the denominator and we'll rationalize with the conjugate of the denominator. When we are taking conjugate of a complex number, like a is, suppose, let me take x plus iy. Then conjugate of a is given by x minus iy. So the conjugate of negative 1 minus 2i will be negative 1 plus 2i. So now we need to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. This is equal to 3 plus 5i times negative 1 plus 2i over negative 1 minus 2i times negative 1 plus 2i. And we will use FOIL method to simplify the numerator and difference of squares to simplify the denominator. FOIL, if it is a plus b times c plus d, then FOIL is given by first two elements of both the parentheses AC, F plus O means outers of both the parentheses AD plus I means inners BC plus L means last BD. So FOIL, first, outer, inner, last. And difference of squares say a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So applying FOIL in numerator, I get 3 times negative 1 plus 3 times 2i plus 5i times negative 1 plus 5i times 2i, and applying difference of squares in the denominator, I get negative 1 square minus 2i squared. This is equal to negative 3 plus 6i minus 5i plus 10i squared over 1 minus 4i squared. Now I squared is negative 1, so it's equal to negative 3 plus 6i minus 5i plus I plus 10 times negative 1 over 1 minus 4 times negative 1. This is equal to negative 3 plus I minus 10 over 1 plus 4, and this is equal to, let me put in the solution here, negative 3, negative 10, negative 13 plus I over 1 plus 4 is 5. This can be written as negative 13 by 5 plus 1 by 5i, which is the answer in the A part. Next problem, simplify 2 plus I over negative 4 minus I. So we multiply with negative 4 plus I over negative 4 plus I. So this is equal to 2 plus I times negative 4 plus I over negative 4 minus I times negative 4 plus I. FOIL the numerator, 2 times negative 4 plus 2 times I plus I times negative 4 plus I times I over negative 4 squared minus I squared. This is equal to negative 8 plus 2i minus 4i plus I squared over negative 4 squared 16 minus I squared. Negative 8 plus 2i minus 4i minus 2i plus I squared is minus 1 over 16 minus I squared is minus 1. Negative 8, negative 1, negative 9 minus 2i over 16 plus 1. Negative 9 minus 2i over 17. Negative 9 by 17 minus 2 over 17i. Which is the answer in the C part. Next problem. Simplify 4 plus I over negative 5 minus I. So we multiply with negative 5 plus I over negative 5 plus I. This is equal to 4 plus I times negative 5 plus I over negative 5 minus I times negative 5 plus I. This is equal to 4 times negative 5 plus 4 times I plus I times negative 5 plus I times I over negative 5 squared minus I squared minus 20 plus 4i minus 5i plus I squared over 25 minus I squared minus 20 plus 4i minus 5i minus I plus I squared is minus 1 over 25 minus I squared is minus 1. Minus 20 minus 1 minus 21 minus I over 25 plus 1 minus 21 minus I over 26 negative 21 by 26 minus 1 by 26i, which is the answer I see in the D part. I hope you can practice more problems on dividing complex numbers now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.